This is gonna be the first video I have with my voice. Today we're gonna be opening this bee egg from the bee event. See what I get, This is my first egg, by the way. Oh, wait. Hold on. This is the pentel bee. Let's check. Yeah, we're gonna be recording during the event. Nope. I want to trade one of these. So this is the big check. 4%? Oh, second best. First egg, by the way. Yeah, that dude you said. Nice bee, and I love it now. This free compressor. So the whole thing up. 2 minutes, guys. Well, look at this dude's garden. What the heck? Hey, yo. Oh, he got a moon mango? I do have that. Holy crap! Oh shoot, here it comes. Okay, let's see what I get from my sister. Nice, okay. Okay, it's okay. This is the lilac I get. Or that's pink. This is a purple. Let's see how much this purple one is. I want to throw it. Ooh-wee. Let's see what I get from my fun crate. What do I get? Oh, that's a big flag. Ooh, Shield, thanks for calling me. That. Okay. This ends in 7 minutes right now. Okay, 1 second. Oh, Joe, hold on. It's a Celestial Shocked Wet Dragon Fruit. Sorry about that. No, it's Dylan was at the park. Alright, that's gonna be the end of the video for now. See ya.